Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi, for those of you who doesn't know. In this video, I'm gonna do a income tax money setup. Well, basically the income tax cash envelope, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna show you guys all the things I'm gonna pay with my income tax money and what I decided to do with it for this year. I'm just gonna give you guys a little background about myself. My name is Mimi and I am in school for trying to get my RN. And while I'm trying to get my RN, I want to pay off all my debt, like my credit card, my hospital bills. So by the time I'm done with school, I don't have nothing to pay and just to relax. So basically with this money, with this income tax money, what I decided to do is I just wanted to pretty much pay off my credit cards and other stuff that I wanted to pay off. I just used that money to do it. So right here, I have this little setup. I hope you guys can see it. I have this little setup and it just has all my, let me fix it. It just has like all my credit cards that I'm paying off, like my Victoria's Secret credit card, my Wells Fargo credit card, my Suncoast, my Capital One. Yeah, my Capital One, and then I have to pay off my Apple Watch. So I decided to do that with it. And then I need to do some laundry. So I'm taking out $50 for laundry. And then I'm putting $200 towards maintenance because I need about $1,200 by next year so I can get my other bumper fixed. And I need to get new tires. So I budgeted $1,200 to get all these things done. So I'm just putting $200 towards my maintenance. And Milo, my dog, is getting $50 for if he has like a vet appointment or need food, and if my sister don't have money or whatever. And then for personal, like my clothing and stuff like that, I'm putting $200 towards it so I can buy stuff that I need or anything that I need or whatever. I'm just gonna keep saying whatever. And I'm putting $200 towards gifts because I need $500 for my goddaughter's birthday because we're also baptizing or baptized or whatever. Oh, there you go again. We're doing a baptize thing for her, so we have to baptize her. So we have to buy clothes, jewelry, and all that stuff. So I'm budgeting $500 because me and her godfather have to buy stuff for her. And then I have emergency savings. So I didn't put an amount over there because whatever's left is going towards my emergency savings thing. And when I'm done with that, then I'm moving towards paying off my medical bills in my car and then finish paying off Milo. So this is the budget. I hope everything I just said makes sense to you guys. And we're just gonna start off by doing the cash envelopes. So I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit for you guys so you guys can see the hundreds that I have. Is that too far? I think it's a little bit too far. Okay, I think that's better. So we're just gonna keep this right here. Oh yeah, so as you can see right here, it says put $336.42 back to my emergency savings account. Is because I had to use some money out of it to buy groceries, because when I had to get my car fixed, I needed groceries so I didn't have to walk to the store and get groceries. So I have to put all this back to my savings account. So that's why this is there. Okay, so don't mind my hands. I am going to show you guys, this is all of the envelopes that I'm gonna stuff today, that I'm gonna put money in. Well, I just keep repeating myself over and over again. I hope you guys don't mind, and I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, so the first one, hold on. So let me fix this. I have way too much stuff over here. Ooh, and I just dropped my phone. So the first envelope that I'm gonna put money in, hopefully you guys can see it, is my credit card envelope, my credit cards envelope, let me say that right. And I am going to put $1,283 in there because that's how much all my credit cards come up to. What technically is $1,282.32, but I'm just gonna round it to 83. So that's how much we're gonna take out. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 200, then 50, 70, 80, 83. And I just made a hot mess. I always do that. Okay. So right here, this is $1,283 towards credit cards. Look at all this money, huh? So this is for all of my credit cards that I have to pay. So paid off already. And then this is my phone envelope, which include my Apple Watch that I just got. So I'm gonna put $380 in here for my Apple Watch so I can pay that off too. So $300. 1, 2, 3. And then we have 50, 70, and 80. $380 for my Apple Watch. Pay it off. Okay, so I just want to say, okay, my Apple Watch may not be $380 because I know I've been making payments on it. It's probably cheaper than that, but that's just how much I budget for it. Just like my credit cards, I've been making payment on them, so I just budgeted $1,282 for it because last time I checked, that was how much I owe on the card. So it might be lower or cheaper or whatever. So this is how much I budget. So I might end up having a lot more money than I thought in my in my savings account. Okay, so this is laundry. And I budgeted $50 for my laundry envelope. So, but I guess I left myself a little note that says I have to put $4.25 back to my savings account because I had to do laundry. So I gotta put, you know, back in there. So we're just gonna take the $50. Wait, 40. Can I make 50 out of this? Yeah. 20. How much do I have here? Nope. I'm just gonna take the 50. So 50. And because I didn't take a lot of 10s or 1s out, so that's why I don't have enough to break it, so I can take the $4 out. But I'm just gonna take the whole 50 since I have to go do laundry anyways. I'm just gonna take the $4 out of there and put it into my savings account. So $4 in here. And this was for laundry. And then I have my car maintenance. Before, in my last cash envelope, you guys, I had $790 in here. And I spent it all because I had to get my bumper fixed. So I give them the $500 deductible that I had to give them. And then I had $290 in there so I can rent a car or for like rides or anything. So I ended up taking Lyft the whole 4 days that they had my car. I didn't rent a car at all. I ended up taking Lyft, and which was cheaper, and I ended up spending like $60 or $52 on Lyft, and that was it. So I like ended up having like most of my money that I saved to get a rental. I ended up having like all my money left over pretty much. So when I was to get my pay my money that I owe them, I guess my insurance never sent them the $265 they're supposed to send them, so I had to use the money in this envelope, the rest of the money that I had for my for me to rent the car, I had to give it to them just to pay it off so I can get my car. So that means my car insurance has to send me back $265. So once they do that, that money is going into my savings account, because that's how much money I had left over, and I was gonna roll that money over to my savings account. So I'm just gonna put the $200 in my savings account, $265. So right now I'm just gonna put $200 in here because I need, like I said, I need wait, yeah, like I said, I need $1,200 and something dollars for my car. So I'm just gonna put $200 in here just to get it started. So I need like what, $1,200 something for by next year. So I'm just gonna put 200, and then I'm just gonna keep putting money in there to get it to 1,200 for next year. So I have a while, I have like a whole year left to put money in here. And the next thing is Milo, and Milo gets $50. And his envelope already has $4 in here already. So now he has 54. Lucky dog. So 54 in here. And the next envelope I have is clothing. So I'm just gonna change the name to personal, just for like when I need to get my hair done, like if I need to get clothes, my hair done, my nails done. This is the envelope for it. So I was thinking, should I make like a beauty envelope by itself? I think I'm gonna do that and just have my clothing envelope and my beauty envelope for my nails and my hair. But for now, this one is just gonna get $200. And it seems like it already has $5 in here. Yeah. So now it has $205. Because you know, like every paycheck, I just put $5 in each envelope because I don't work that much because of school. So they probably don't have a lot of money that like it should have. So that's why they only have $5. My gift envelope is getting $200. 1, 2. And it should have $5 in here too. See? $5. So $205. And then last but not least, am I saying that right? Oh, whatever. The last envelope I have is my emergency savings envelope, because you know I want to fully fund this so I can start off paying my everything else I have to pay. And so all this money that's left right here is going to my emergency saving, my emergency funds. So let's see how much money we have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000. That's like right there. That's just my thousands for my emergency fund right there. Fully funded. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we got, right now we have $1,138 for my emergency fund. So it's fully funded, you guys, like fully funded right there, fully. And then since I was saving money already, so I have like $94 in here already that I was saving, and then I have to add the $4, all that stuff. So when you just add the $94 towards it, it just becomes like $1,232 right there that I have in my emergency fund. And when I add my $265 that the insurance company people have to give back to me, I'm gonna end up with $1,833. So that's gonna be my emergency fund money, and that's just gonna stay there. And then next time I get paid, when I get paid on Friday, the money I'm supposed to be using for my credit card is just gonna go towards paying off Milo. So like I'm just gonna be adding $120 towards the payment I've been making for Milo, just so by 6 months, in 6 months, so we can pay him off and we're done. And then I'm gonna move towards my not my car, my hospital bills. So this is it for my emergency fund. Fully funded. I'm excited, you guys. See, that's what you do. Like, a lot of people, when they get their income tax money, they just use it for like stupid stuff that they can easily get throughout the year, instead of actually like doing something with it. Just pay off your death or not death. I keep saying death, but your death or whatever. I'm still saying it wrong. But you can just use it to pay off your thing, but most people just use it to do stupid stuff. So this is everything that I just paid off. I'm so excited. I did really good, you guys. I am so proud of myself, and I played it smart. I did something really smart. I'm not mad at myself because I put a little bit of money everywhere that I needed the money, and I still end up having money to use on clothes. If I need to buy clothes, I have like money for my car and everything. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below like what other videos you guys would like to see. And I appreciate everybody who's been subscribing to my channel, who's been liking my videos, and who does comment on my videos. And I would really appreciate it if everybody who is watching my videos to subscribe to my channel.